If I was completely broke in 2025 and I could only afford a single gadget to edit my videos, grow my page, and start earning from content, I would only buy a camera. I would not buy a laptop, neither an iPad. I would buy a used iPhone specifically, a clean used iPhone 12 or 13. Let me explain this in the most realistic way, not the fantasy tech review style. When you are broke and you do not have a luxury to buy a perfect setup, you need something that will allow you to record videos, edit your videos, upload, grow fast without extra accessories or extra costs. And right now, even before we get into 2026, the most all-in-one device for a broke content creator is a used iPhone. Now, the first reason is video quality. An iPhone can give you a video quality that looks professional without lighting or even lenses. Even an iPhone 12 in 2025 still records in quality that brands accept for UGC, that YouTube compresses nicely, and something that clients will never complain about for short form work. If you go to buy a cheap Android phone, you will fight with the sharpness, the dynamic range, the focus hunting, the noise in low light, and you actually hate editing what you shot. Now, the second reason is the editing. If you are broke and you do not have money to buy a laptop or to pay for, let's say, Adobe subscription, on iPhones, you can quickly edit your videos using CapCut, VN Editor, DaVinci Mobile, and even TikTok Editor without lag, without crashing, without heating issues that cheap laptops would actually cause. People don't realize this. Even a 2019 MacBook that is cheap and dying still edits slower than a used iPhone 13. If you're gaining, do well to hit the like button and share this video to a friend. Thirdly, export and upload. When you finish editing on an iPhone, you export and upload directly on the same device. No file transfer, no airdrop issues, no cable stress. When you are broke, every friction kills your momentum. Literally everything gets you angry and tired. The fewer moving parts, the better. 4. Battery and micro stability. You can recharge an iPhone anywhere and edit anywhere. If you buy a laptop because you think real editors use laptop, you will hit the wall immediately. And this is because you will need electricity. If you cannot get constant electricity, a laptop is like a prison. An iPhone can survive Lagos, campus life, hostel, NYSC, even no NEPA. Basically anything you throw at it. 5th is monetization opportunities. You can shoot TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube videos. You can even sell UGC, film products, weddings, clips, and do voiceovers for clients, screen recording. You can actually even do tutorials. All forms of videos on the same device. Now, basically, an Android will reduce your brand deal quality. A laptop cannot shoot content. A camera needs a laptop. An iPhone can be the full pipeline. Now, let's address the main argument people usually give. But iPhones are expensive. Yes, a new one is expensive. That is why I said a used clean iPhone 12 or iPhone 13. Now, a used clean iPhone 12 or iPhone 13 is cheaper than buying camera body, plus lens, plus mic, plus laptops, and the lights. Even if you buy an iPhone 11, it's still a better start than a cheap camera or a struggling laptop. When you are broke, you buy what starts the result first, not what looks professional. Another thing that people ignore is resale value. If your situation changes, you can resell a used iPhone tomorrow and you will still get your money back. Have you tried reselling a mid-range Android phone after 6 months? You will cry. Have you tried reselling a laptop? Nobody will price you well and you do not want to lose much, meaning you would actually not lose much with an iPhone. Let's also talk about brand perception. Whether we like it or not, when a client sees shot on iPhone, they trust the output much more than if they see shot on an Infinix or shot on Techno. If you're broke and you're trying to get clients fast, you must remove every friction that makes people doubt you. Now, what about storage, heat, and limitations? Those are real, but they are actually very solvable. You can buy iCloud for as low as $1 per month instead of buying SSDs. You can shoot in 1080p to file size instead of shooting in 4K 60 frames per second. And you can actually also edit on your mobile phone. And if your phone has heating issues, you can turn on your fan. Meanwhile, the laptop has problems, lagging, crashing project files, missing codec, needs charging. Or ask me, or ask yourself, in our country, are these problems really solvable when you're broke? If you're starting all over with no money, but a dream to make money from content, an iPhone puts me in the fastest lane to consistency, monetization, and a lot more. You can shoot 3 pieces of content a day from one device and post them. No excuses. You can build a portfolio for UGC. You can build a page. You can generate leads. You can pitch a brand. You can even produce work for clients, all from one device. One device, one pocket, one life. There's a difference between what a rich creator can buy and what a broke creator must buy. Rich people actually buy gear to refine their outputs. Broke people buy gear to create their first results. When you are broke, your number of goal is 1. It is not even cinematic quality. It is speed, consistency, and monetization. And an iPhone lets you move immediately. So if I woke up tomorrow with no setup, no laptop, no mic, no light, no backup plan, and I could only buy one single gadget in 2025, 2026 or up and keep creating and eventually earn, I would walk past the cameras, walk past the laptops, walk past the Samsung display, and I will get a clean used iPhone 12 or iPhone 13 and start creating my videos that same day, because it is not about the best devices in the world, but because it is the best device for a broke creator who wants to stop being broke. Anyways, I hope this helps and it helps you in choosing the best gadgets to buy for your content creation journey. Do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your aspiring creator friend, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.